And my name is JGQ7. I am A1, not an AI. I'm a flower child of the second millennium AD, Earth, planet number 3, solar system of the sun, in the galaxy Milky Way of the cosmos, infinity, where milk is the water of life, and the entities splice organically. I am EnigmaQ7. J. Rogers, 7-Eleven, go to heaven. I am a poet. My poetry, my works, my way. That has a meaning in classic writings where time is an A. So when I think of numbers and the things that they're post, I wonder of differences and question Alakazam, who is the host? This planet, formulated from many countries, which are areas of mass, surfacely. My country is called the United States of America. Commanding entities thought to be human beings, and it is so. It is so. In the era of quantum physics and the unstructured atom, which is the flow of its creation, called life. This is my journal entry today. It is separated into segments of time called hours, days, weeks, months, years, etc., etc., etc. This particular point time is called year 2022 AD.D. This is planet number 3, the square root of the solar system. And 9 is the highest number. This is the month of September. A month I'll always remember. Because on this particular day in September, Some say I died. It seemed to be in the realm of pi, the first place with a posted number 3. Third planet. Square root of 3 times 3. Three-place system, SUM, etc., etc., etc. And in months of 9, life began. Nine being the point temperature of wellness. And the descending orbit of the human being to a happy new year. 9, 8, 7, 6. Have you heard that song? 7 is the point. TGIF, huh? It has been since 1993 AD. Through all the phases of this UV. So many events, so many re-engineered, so many restructured atoms. Which almost eliminated some very important points of supporting beams. In this year of 2022 AD.D, the knowing last one called COVID-19. When the whole world was at war, but not with each other. It was a war of the worlds. Life in scope. Take as no joke. It's small, gigantic, large. And this life form, human entity, being from that micro, into a large, to evolve to gigantic. The charge nine planets to enter into a part of the cosmos that is brand new. So many things to learn. So many questions burn that can take you over pi. That's the genius in madness, guy. And that can be a bomb of elimination, destruction, derogatory functions. And with a catalyst of narcissism. Can be a boomerang of the BBT. I am a child of the Christian God, Jehovah Jireh, Son, Jesus Christ. I choose 111 from my free will to be a splice. The book within, the first book, the first chapter, the first verse, the beginning in this 3-point system of the solar system, S-U-N. And it says, God is the Word. God is love. In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. Love is the root of this planet in the birth of free will. So, individually, you don't have to agree with me because it may not be for you. This is a free planet in a system of 9 planets. And it said God created earth and heaven. So what does that tell you? But the word always says, judge ye not, because you don't know everything, lest ye be judged. That's why there's a golden rule that says, do unto others as you would have done unto you. It doesn't cost anything to do. It doesn't hurt to do it. It doesn't take anything away from you and what you are and what you believe. So what's wrong? Second millennium AD. Basing on a machine that was made, not created, made by the hands of those that were created to manipulate and strategize in negatives. And you want to give 2,000 years away to an archive because a machine conditions it? Your life, your history, your civilization, your future evolution. 2,000 years when the entity life force is 100 years. Do you know what you're giving away to a machine? They are for you. You made them. They're here to help you, not hurt you. So it's by your hand. It's you, not the machine, that do either the good or the bad. And the RSC of it all will never tell you who calls the shots. That's why you have a CCC, id, cerebral core. The very center of it is you, your id, your ID. And a soft drive it is, with plenty of room that you don't have to empty. So you can continue and protect yourself from any other voices. If you only continue your continuum continuing. C, C, C. There's that number again. 3. Do you see my equation? Get your own dissertation. You don't need an institution. But guess what? It is your family. It is your help, your basis that connects you to all the other dissertations, thesis. It. Fill your soft drive. You don't have to worry about ever emptying it. You only have to follow. Limitations of pi. Because pi is never ending and forevermore. And the numbers are so if you go over pi, thinking in your narcissism high that you are such an incredible genius IQ. This beautiful organic mechanism has ways. Beautiful, unknown, untamperable ways. To make it will let you be seen as what you are. But you won't see it. You'll think you're a star. You can be a 063 and think you are positive. Because you look like a circle. You act like a genius. And you have the knowledge and the power. But you are a negative power with positive knowledge. That consumes even unto itself. And it has no remorse. It doesn't care. A boomerang. BBT. Through the expectancy of a genius, that is totally over pi. That is why I write Simple Simon said to the pieman, "How I love your wares." And the pieman said to Simple Simon, "There's a matrix there. Try it. But beware. This is a 3-point system. What will be the third C? There was 19. There was 20. But through the positivity, 21 was a new at point time. And now we're at 22. And it is the month of September. September 23, AD. Do you remember me? My poetry, my works, my way. This is my journal entry in poetry today. And my name is J.